Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today, as you can see, I am trying to change my toe nail gel because this one is already worn out. It's looking crazy and I'm just trying to do it myself because I have all the equipment at home. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this old polish and start off or put in a new one. So first of all, I'm using a dissolver and a cotton wool to just clean out the old gel, and then I'm using a cuticle trimmer to trim out all the old skin on the nail, or the old nail and the cuticles. I'm just trimming them down. So I'm going to do that for like all 10 toes. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going in with the file just to remove the shine from the top of the nail. So yeah, I'm filing them down as well because some of them I broke myself, or they broke themselves as well. So I'm filing the nails. I'm going in with a buffer as well, just to make sure that the nails are not rough because of the file. So if you're going to do your nails yourself, you're going to bend down a lot, so just note that. So I'm going back to remove all those filed debris on the nail. Then this is the separator. I'm just putting that in so that the cutters or the gel polish rather will not touch each other. So that's why I'm doing that. So this is a nail treatment. So I'm putting that on my natural nails first before I go in with the base coat. So just to keep my nail healthy. So now I'm going to apply the base coat. Just so that there's something underneath or on top your nails before you apply the gel polish. So I'm going in with this pepper red. That's what I'm using for my nails rather. So I'm going in. So when you're applying this, don't be afraid to get it on the sides, because if you're going to paint the sides, you can, or you will touch the skin, so you can still go ahead and clean that out. So don't worry about it. So I'm just painting all 10 toes. So I think I'm doing this first, and then I'll do the other leg off camera. So this is me trying to clean this out. It wasn't working for me, so I went in with a cotton wool. Okay, it has dissolver in it, so that's why the cleaning process is easy. Now this is the second leg that I'm doing. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I've done. Apply the nail treatment, then the base coat, and then the red nail polish. So I'm going in with the cotton wool as well, just to clean the sides to make sure that they look neat and professional, because even though I'm doing them myself, I want it to look like someone did it for me. Okay, so I'm going to clean all the sides, and then you apply this gel polish twice. That way it gives it a more pigmented look. If you do it once, it looks good, but if you do it twice, you get a better looking pigment. So this is me using my UV light to just dry up the polish, the gel polish on my leg. So if you don't have that, you can skip that step. So now I'm done drying them out. I'm going over it with a top coat. This is just to give it shine, to make sure that it's glossy, it has that glossy look. So just go ahead and do that for all your toenails, and yeah, that's basically it. There's no big deal in this. I know a lot of us do it, but trust me to make a video out of it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comment section. Let's be friends on the comment section.